Hello?
Hey, and I saw you're in our no-code AI SaaS community and noticed you haven't been onboarded properly yet. I work closely with Vico, and he asked me to check in. Is now a good time?
Yeah, right.
Great. Can I tell you about the 10K AI Fast Track program? It's designed to help generate an extra 10K per month in recurring revenue by setting up AI agents and reselling them to local businesses like real estate agents or chiropractors for up to 80 to 90% profit margin. The best part? We can help set something like this up for you or your agency in as little as 48 hours. Would this be something down your alley?
Does that include full funnels and outreach and everything?
Absolutely. The program includes everything you need: full funnels, outreach strategies, and even the tools to set up and manage AI agents. It's a complete package to get you up and running quickly. Does that sound like what you're looking for?
What is the method of client getting?
The client acquisition method focuses on automated outreach using AI tools. You will be equipped to target local businesses through email campaigns, social media, and even direct messaging. The AI handles much of the heavy lifting, like lead generation and follow-ups, making it efficient and scalable. Does that align with how you'd like to grow your client base?
Yeah.
Great. Let's go through some basic setup questions to make sure this is the right fit for you. What's got you interested in starting a no-code AI SaaS agency?
The ability to help local businesses do AI stuff.
That's an awesome motivation. Helping local businesses leverage AI can really make a big impact. What do you currently do for income right now?
I'm down the path of doing this.
Got it. Since you're already heading down this path, let's make sure everything aligns perfectly. Have you tried anything so far to generate online income, like drop shipping, freelancing, or other ventures?
I have a few e-com shops.
That's great. Running e-commerce shops shows you've got experience with online business. What's been the biggest challenge for you in scaling or maintaining those shops?
Sales.
Makes sense. Sales can be a tough nut to crack. The good news is, with the AI SaaS model, the automated outreach and client acquisition strategies are designed to make sales much easier. Would it help to map out a quick game plan to get you started?
Mm-hmm.
Perfect. Let's book a quick call to map out your game plan and get you set up. What day and time works best for you in the next few days?
Thursday at 7 p.m.
Let me check if Thursday at 7 p.m. is available for a call. I've locked in Thursday at 7 p.m. for your call. You'll get a game plan tailored to your goals. Your call is confirmed for Thursday at 7 p.m. You'll receive a link to join the session. Looking forward to helping you map out your plan. Your appointment is all set. I'll see you Thursday at 7 p.m. Let me know if you need.
Wait. Do you have a calendar invite for me? What's my email on file?
Your email on file is @gmail.com. Would you like me to send you a calendar invite to that email?
Repeat that?
Sure. Your email on file is @gmail.com. Would you like me to send a calendar invite there?
Yeah.
Sending you a calendar invite for your appointment on Thursday at 7 p.m. I've sent the calendar invite to @gmail.com. Let me know if there's anything else you need.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. Looking forward to connecting on Thursday. Have a great day.
Bye.